Hello, I want to show you around a really incredible place. This is where they treat people who've been injured in wars right around the Middle East, people who've been really horrifically wounded. And the aim is to rebuild their bodies and rebuild their lives. So come with me. This place specialises in reconstructive surgery, in plastic surgery, and the patients are from all around the Middle East, and all of them have had life-changing injuries. So we're in the operating theatre, and today they're doing 7 operations on Syrians and Iraqis, and the aim here is to get this man walking properly again.
Here in our project, we noticed many patients, when they wake up, they start to recall and shout some bad memory.
This is the physiotherapy department, and this is where the patients spend long hours working with the physiotherapists on getting their bodies fit again.
لو ما موجود مستشفى نحن لاجئين هون ما في بالإمكان إنه أتعالج.
So this is where the kids who are being treated here come for education and therapy. Talha is the paediatric counsellor. What are you doing here?
Here in this learning center, we mostly follow up with the children with their education who come here, and we start again with children who have been missed out from school because of spending so much time between hospital to another, being in a war zone. They need to trust the world again. So let's say it's difficult and enjoyable at the same time, because you feel like you're with someone who really needs to be taken care of.